Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun. One of the most common mistakes people make when writing in English is using there, or there correctly. This is not unique to ESL learners, but very common with native English speakers too. After this video, you should know exactly how to use each of these words. For starters, there is a class of word in English called homophones. The word homo means the same and phones means sound. From that we can see that homophones are words that share the same sound but not the same meaning. There, and there are examples of homophones, and that is what makes using them so confusing. So let's start with there ending with an ERE. When we use there, we are referring to the location of something. The dog is over there. Put it over there, or there she comes. A hint for this is that the word there has here in it. That can tell you that it refers to location. Next we have there ending with EIR. There is the possessive form of the word they. When they have a car, we can simply say the car is theirs. Their house is orange and we are their neighbors. The last one is there ending with an apostrophe RE. There is a contraction, meaning it is two words that are blended together into a single word. If we take the word they and add R to it, we can form the contraction there. So whenever you want to say they are, you can just shorten it down to there. They're here, they're happy, and they're playing outside. So there you have it. They're tricky to understand at first, but with some practice you can learn their differences. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.